Hey Glow Fam, it's Flo and we are back with another video. So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing an at-home steam facial. So I'm going to show you guys how you can easily achieve this at home. Right now we're starting with a fresh face and we're going to go in with our cleansers. I'm using the Shea Moisture Charcoal Foaming Facial Wash and the BelleGlow Tropical Cleanse Exfoliating Daily Wash. So once you're done washing, you want to go in with a dry, clean paper towel and just use patting motions to dry your face off. Then we're going to go ahead and get our steamer ready. Shout out to Val for the steamer. Thanks, girl. I will leave the link in the description box for the steamer that this is. It's from Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and add my rose facial oil into that just to add a little kick of hydration. So you can add whatever essential oils you want. And today I'm just going to use my rose one. So for the steaming part, you want to be sure to not get too close to the steamer so that you do not cause any burns on your face. And you only want to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. I did mine for 5 minutes. I would recommend only steaming once a week or once every other week. It's not something that you want to do all of the time. And then steaming also helps open up your pores. So directly after we steam, I'm going to go in with my extractor and start taking out some of those whiteheads on my nose and my chin area. That's where I mostly get them. So that's what I'm doing here. If you're squeamish, go ahead and look away now because I'm about to show you all the gunk that came out of my pores. Look at that. Ugh. So now that I am done gently removing all of that gunk, I'm going to go in with my face mask. And today I'm using the Star Skin VIP Illuminating Mask. This mask is amazing. So they recommend that you put on the mask for about 10 to 15 minutes and let it sit. And then once you take the mask off, you're supposed to moisturize your face with the remaining serum and just work it into your skin. So you'll see me do that here. So you want to work this gently into your skin. You want to be very gentle with your skin, remember, okay? And then you want to also work that into your neck because the skin of your neck is almost the same texture as the skin of your face. You want to get all of that moisture down there as well. So then we're going to go in with an additional serum. We're using the Awaken serum. I've been using this lately and it is amazing. Then we're going to go in with what is now my favorite moisturizer. This is the Fresh Rose Hydrating Cream. It's got a little bit of hyaluronic acid in there, which I actually thought that I was allergic to, and it turns out that I am not. My skin loves it. So then next we're going to go in with the, I am not even going to try to pronounce this, but it's an eye cream, okay? It's in the description box as well. And we're just going to pat that with our ring finger around our lower eyes and then on our actual eyelids. So again, with the eye area especially, you want to be very, very gentle. So once we're done patting that into the eyes, we're going to go in with the final layer, and that is going to be the rose oil to go ahead and seal all of that moisture in. So now we've got the pièce de résistance. Now I was not sure about this rose quartz face roller because I was like, okay, maybe it's just the hype or whatever, but let me tell you, this thing, I don't know if it's the rolling motion or the coolness of the quartz. I'm not sure what it is, but it is amazing. So this is supposed to help with getting the product seeped into your skin, and it's supposed to help with depuffing, especially after you've just done an extraction. You know that your skin tends to be a little bit inflamed, a little bit raised, just from all of the activity of purging your skin. So this really helped to cool my skin down afterwards and just kind of give me additional soothing in addition to all the other stuff that I was doing. So I 10 out of 10 would recommend. So we are at the end, Glow Fam. I hope you guys enjoyed this soothing, relaxing video, and I hope that you try it at home. If you do, go ahead and leave me your comments in the comment section and let me know how you liked it. If you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Hit that like if you enjoy my videos, and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I post additional videos. Thank you so much for watching, Glow Fam. Bye.